Okay, a couple more boxes to go. Yeah. Something heavy. Whatever was in here is trying to come out in proper packing. This is that cheap China paper. It's not very good. Cardboard. Not enough packing material. And I can feel something, stud sticking out. Cardboard feels a little moist too. It's a head wrapped in bubble wrap, which is not thick enough. It just beats itself to pieces, not do much. And they threw a couple pieces of popcorn to make it look like they were doing something important. Not packed correctly. Oh, there's two heads in here. Great. Beating on each other. Spark plug's broken from being beat on whatever's hitting it is. Oh, that's the part that's coming out of the box. That's why you take spark plugs out. They stick out in the way of everything. A lot of dirt hit me there, especially down in the oil gallery. So this is a very corroded S&S head shovel. Ooh, that is not stock. That is stripped out 3/8 helicoil or a big ass insert. Bad. Yeah. Springs look alright though. Important part. Alright, that's it. Got here with no more broken fins. No broken fins, that's a plus. I was trying to break some stuff, but failed to do it. So is that just lucky, or has it got strong fins on S&S's? Okay, let's see what this one is. Appears to be another head. It's all wrapped up also. Yeah. Keep the trash in the box, makes less of a mess. Yeah, it's dirty. I can feel the dirt and carbon in my fingers. Dirt daubers. Dirt daubers. Doesn't cool very good when you're full of mud and it's got your cooling fins. Okay, S&S valve springs. This one is a Harley head. Usually over here is the number of what year it is. Tastes terrible. I make it out. Eesh. Probably 79. like a 7 and something round like a 9, so 79. Over here's another date. Usually they don't have the numbers over here. This is the earlier heads. Later heads are marked over here. Mucky. 7536705. Those are not date codes there. I got 05 over here. That's the month. This is what the number should have been, is right there, but oh well. This one's a Harley head. So, slightly mismatched. Need a little work. Luckily they got here without being broken, except for the spark plug hole. Alright, pretty nasty. They're left outside in the... These aren't in a lake because they got a bunch of mud in them. Definitely not in California. Back east somewhere, you can tell. Alright. So, set of heads I gotta play with, I guess. Alright.